on, everybody? It's your boy Soulfly Trades here, back with another banger. And in this video, I just want to explain one of the mistakes that I had made today that made me go from a green day to a red day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this here. Alright, so we were just melting come pre-market, melting. So initially what I was looking for was shorts, but I seen that, you know, we would break above, then reclaim, then break above again. So I had to switch the mindset up to start to look for longs, because since we were quite overextended in pre-market, I had a feeling buyers might want to come in and buy this up. I'm also moved down to what I'm trading now, so I can control my risk management just a little bit more. So I was trading futures today, trading MES. First trade I took was green, was right here off my key level, which you seen here on SPY. Same key level there, exact same key level. That netted me about 100, although I cut it before it got to my price target, simply because news had just came out and then it just exploded upwards, and I wasn't sure if it would explode back down with the same strength or ferocity, since, you know, we were already melting pre-market. Wasn't sure if sellers would come back in strong, you know, and take all that out. So I took my profits, about $155. Now this is where I messed up. Knowing that it's Monday, knowing that Mondays and Fridays are two of my worst days to trade, why didn't I just take that and walk away? You know, I looked for more opportunity. The second trade that I took, lost around $79 on that. So I took 3 trades, 1 winner, 2 losers. Second trade I took was when we broke below this key level, which even on SPY it didn't completely, you know, stay under this key level. But before this green candle was fully green like this, it had pushed up and started rejecting. So once I seen that to start rejecting, instead of waiting for the candle close, I just immediately got in, you know, because I thought sellers could come in and take the price back down at least to the lows, but that didn't happen. So once I entered in, once it rejected this key level, my stop was basically like right at this candle body, the previous red candlestick body, and I'll show you that on my futures account. Yeah, basically right here, I got stopped out right there for $79. In the third trade, and least that turned my green day to red day, was the trade over here. I went short in this area, and if you guys are seeing, you're like, well, why did he go short? It's clear buying pressure. Yes, there is, but the thing was, I wasn't taking the trade based off of my SPY levels, which would have told me, bro, you know, buyers are clearly holding this previous support level turned into demand level, or you could say support and resistance, or whatever. Previous resistance level that turned into support. Instead of watching SPY according, you know, to what I wanted to do, I was looking at the futures, and with my futures levels, you know, I seen multiple candles, you know, reject this level right here, and then this candle was also rejecting. So once it popped up and started rejecting off of this previous candle close, I felt sellers should come in. But this is another reason why I went down to MES, because this allows me to try out what I think, even if I'm wrong, and still control my risk and not taking a huge loss on the day, you know, or being upset about it or whatever. Because this is the price we paid to try to employ our edge in the markets, you know. We have to pay a price. Every trade won't go against me, but it's also my fault. It's also my fault that I got in after already making a good trade, because I did some math. I'm just taking it slow. I'm no longer trying to hit home runs. $138 a trading session, that's $50K a year. So all I need is $138, you know, and I had more than that. I had 155, and I gave it all back, and I'm down, what, $50 on the day. So that was 3 trades for me, three and done. Um, Mondays and Fridays now it's gonna be one and done. If my first trade, especially when my first trade goes with me on Mondays and Fridays, I just need to walk away instead of giving profits back. Or if I lose my first 2 trades, I need to just walk away and not give any profits or give too much back. But yeah, and also my trailing stop for my Apex account won't follow me as quickly since I'm trading MES now. Um, but tomorrow I'm also starting the $500 options small account challenge. I'm also basically doing the small account challenge on MES. So let's see where this ends up at the end of the month, this 50K account. Let's see where we can get this by the end of the month. See if we can pass this challenge of $3,000 profit without hitting this trailing stop. But yeah, that's basically what happened today. I'm not even upset that, that now it's a red day for me. It's only about $50. I controlled my risk. Where I messed up was, and where I know I messed up was, is I didn't base it completely off of SPY. I seen SPY was holding, but I seen my Ninja Trader levels failing, and that just gave me slight confusion. So now I won't even be looking at these levels. If my SPY levels aren't doing what I wanted to do, I cannot take the trade on my futures. So I'll definitely be journaling that for tomorrow. But other than that, that's pretty much it that I have for you guys. I'm really excited to start this small account challenge on my options account. Just waiting for the money to clear in my option buying power, which should be by tomorrow. But yeah, so first day for the future small account is a red day by $50. I gave back profits, and I'm gonna be honest about it with you guys. Like I said, I always want to be honest and transparent with my viewers. You know what I mean? Take the losses like a man, because this is the game we play, and this is the price we play to try to employ our strategies. And we can only that's why with every trading session you got to try to adjust, make improvements, especially if you gave back profits on a day where you should have just walked away, like me today. So I'm gonna be working on that. I will not be doing that, especially on Friday or any day or any given day. If I'm up, more than $138 on my first trade, I'm just walking away. It's just that simple. I don't need thousands of dollars every day, especially right now, because sometimes I get so worried about the end goal, that you miss the steps you got to take to get to the end goal. So I'm just resetting, starting back from the bottom. That way I can control my risk more and compound a little bit better my wins. But yeah, other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. And I will see you guys tomorrow on the live video. And hopefully we have some good opportunities this week to take some trades. But yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Remember, trade smart, trade safe. Sniper gang. Peace.